Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I upload DIYs and interior design content. My name is Ashley and this is Interior.Brave. Alright guys, so in today's video I am so excited because it's part 1 out of 3 of me making over. We're gonna call him Kevin. It was a very interesting makeover because he's a very interesting person. So I first want to talk about how Kevin is a very close friend to me, and he was going away for a little bit. Basically, he asked me to make over his spot, and I was like, yes, I'm so down. Like, what's our budget? What are we working with? Rate. Let's talk about what he wanted, how this idea even first all came out, because he was like, I really want a plant wall. He loves when he comes to our home that we have so many plants, even though a lot of them, rest in peace. Who can say where the road goes? He just kept saying he wants a wall of plants. He just wants a jungle inside of his place, basically, right? So then I was like, okay, let's go through Pinterest. Let's see what you like, what you don't like. It was really hard to pinpoint what his style was, but after going through all of the pictures of Pinterest, I will say that his style is a little bit of industrial. We have a little bit of boho. We definitely have some minimalists. I would say there's a lot of eclectic. Oh yeah, eclectic. I can't say that word, so don't judge me. He also mentioned that he doesn't mind a touch of femininity, which is really nice coming from a guy. I'm not going to be painting. We are not going to be doing any wallpaper. This is rental friendly, and we don't know how long he plans on staying there, so we don't want to make any permanent changes. So about the entryway. So my only plan for this space wasn't anything crazy, was to just put a console table and to add in a circle mirror and to basically just style the place. So here is his entryway. As you can see, he has nothing here currently, and all we have is this shoe rack that's basically from Walmart, I think. I don't know, but it's questionable. So we do know that he said he wants that shoe rack gone. He's not a fan of it, so
but obviously level.
yeah, that looks good.
Layla!
What? We can't pick you up right now, boo-boo.
Okay, so right just underneath the door.
Where's that little piece?
Come here.
Guys, she wants attention. Hi, all my followers. My name's Layla, and this is my mom's channel, Interior Break. Like, comment, and subscribe. Right down below.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the lamp there.
Oh, that might be perfect.
I'm not digging the lamp. Yeah, I think I might do something different in this corner. So sometimes it just be like where you think something's gonna look good in your head, and then when it's in your face, it doesn't look good. So we were extremely exhausted. I just called it George for the night. I was pretty much over it. And on top of it, I had to bring back the lamp and kind of like refigure out what I wanted to do with that space. So that's what you see inside of the next clip. been a couple of days and this area for some reason just wasn't like sitting right with me. So that my client really requested for something for his shoes, because I'm just going to show you in a second like what his shoes is sitting on right now. So my original idea was to put a shoe rack down here for him, but I didn't end up doing it because I was like, oh, he can just dump his shoes in the cupboard. But I also did not like the basket that I put down there. I just wasn't feeling it. So I ended up going back to IKEA, and I'm gonna show you what I ended up grabbing. We're gonna use this as the shoe rack instead. I'm gonna get rid of this. So this is gonna go off. We'll find another place for this spot. And here is it's actually a TV stand at IKEA, but I thought it would look really cute as a shoe stand. And this was only $15. So now that we're done with this corner, still in his entryway, you see this is his door. He has this front entrance closet. And then back here on this wall, currently I have his shoes here. So we're gonna clear this area and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna put here. Hello. That was it for part one. There's not really much for part one. It's just this entryway. I really hope that you guys just enjoyed this quick video. It was really about me explaining and setting the tone for what you guys are going to see for the rest of the space. I am so excited for part two because the transformation is incredible. It's crazy. I can't wait to even share how he thought about the space and to go a little bit more deep into more about what he wanted for the rest of the space. So you guys are gonna see next is the living room, and then right after that you're gonna see the dining room. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in part two.